Oh man, today sucked, man. I'm over here just staring at the night sky. The day's pretty much over, and everything sucks, alright? Like, my love potion plan failed. I was only able to have Rouge for a day, and then the potion wore off, and then she went back to hating me. And then on top of that, I got my butt whooped by Knuckles, which freaking sucked. My ass still hurts like so bad. Oh, and crap. But man, this month's been horrible. Last month was horrible. Hell, all my years have been absolutely horrible. I've been always treated like crap. Just been beaten. I always get beat up by Sonic and the others. Man, screw them. They suck, man. I just wish something good would happen to me for once. I just wish I could get a girlfriend, you know? I just wish girls could love me for once, you know?
Oh, Crackles.
Who said that?
Oh my god, Crackles, I finally found you. It's me, Wendy Okupa. I'm like the daughter of Bowser and whatnot, but I can't help but wonder that you were saying that you wish you had a girlfriend. Well, look no further. I love you, Crackles, so if you want to be mine, then I can be your girlfriend and we can be together forever and ever and ever.
What the fuck is that? Hell no, I don't want to be with you. You got crusty, dusty, fat-looking fish lips. Ugh, disgusting. You think I'd rather be with an ugly, crusty, dusty-looking bitch like you? Hell no. Go back to the sewers where you belong, you crusty, dusty, fat-looking hoe.
But, you know what? Screw you, Crackles. You know what? That's why no one fucking loves you, you fat hobo. I don't care. I'll go find me a new man. Screw you. I'm out of here.
Good riddance, ugly bitch. Man, if there's one thing I hate, it's ugly bitches like her. Good thing I don't know any other ugly bitches, right?
Oh, Crackles.
Who said that?
Oh, hi, Crackles. I missed you, my daddy.
No, not you. Anything but you. No!
Why, yes, it's the one and only sexy classic Amy. So, why don't you give me some sugar, daddy?
No, get away from me. Get away from you, fat, ugly hoe. I do not want anything to do with you. I don't want to date you. I'd rather be single than date an ugly, fat, pink-looking hoe like you.
Aw, you're too kind. Thank you for the nice words, daddy. Now come here, and let me give you some sugar.
No, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me.
It's okay, daddy. This will only hurt just a little bit. Daddy, go faster. Go faster. Oh yeah, go harder. Yes, come on, Crackles. You know you like that. Oh my god, yeah, come on, go faster. Oh my god, yes, come on. Oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah. You like that, Crackles? Yes, you do. Shut up. You know you like it. Oh yeah, harder. Oh yeah.